Alright, YouTube. Whew. Getting this trim piece in these Chevy ain't no joke, bro. Check it out, though. Ooh, we smooth. I still got the top piece. Got the bottom end. I gotta light this LED brake light. Gotta finish doing that side. It's coming along, people. Coming along. Peanut butter and chocolate. You know, time back. Chevy boy, Chevy boy, Chevy boy, Chevy boy. Can't wait to get this thing painted. Shout out. But yeah, man. Chevy all week, man. Gonna start taking these trimming pieces off the outside, clean it up, take this carpet out, run all my speaker wires. I need to find a dome light, but I think I found one, so stay tuned, peeps. Bet.